tell me to watch? What did you tell me to watch?
We go down together. We go down together.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Sham and okay, he's not here. Welcome to our channel. That was weird. That was actually weird. Yeah, Rjay's at work and I'm on my way to his nephew's birthday party. They're going bowling for his birthday party, and I was invited, so I am on my way there to meet them and have a bit of fun. So I figured I'll record and take you along with me. Yeah, but my Mr. Man isn't with me at the minute, so let's see how this goes. We'll probably see him a bit later because it's about, I'm meant to be there at 2 o'clock and it's like probably 2:10, but I'm sure the rest of them aren't there yet, so I'm early. And he finishes around 4, so yeah, we'll probably see him a bit later, but yeah, I'm on my way. Let's see how this day goes. And we'll speak to you soon. Well, I'll speak to you soon.
I try to work, but it doesn't work. I try to say something, but there's no word. I try to justify my actions, less reactions, heart beat raising. Oh, it doesn't work.
Basically they're deciding who's going to be the winner, and this one, he's already claimed it. We'll see.
I guess I have to take a break. Get out of your comfort zone. It's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call home. Your name is written in the sky. It might feel just like you're on your own. Maybe it's not the lie. Remember you want me. I try to work, but it doesn't work. I try to say something. There's no word. I try to justify my actions, less reactions, heart beat raising. Oh, it doesn't work. I try to work.
I'm starving, so I'm here getting some Subways.
Hopping away and I stay in it. I beat it up, I'm playing it. I bust it up, then laying it. Let's go again, you okay with it? I'm parked up, valeting it. Shoot my shot and I'm draining it. I'm Steph Curry, ain't playing this. I don't know what you cost, but I'm paying it. All options, I'm weighing it. If I'm going in, I'm staying in. A king bag, come laying it. Day and night, it's the way of life. I'll weigh you out, then take you out to the Waffle House for some steak and eggs. Pulling up, then we hopping out. Got you walking out with the wobble legs. Wait, girl, I peeped you looking like a baddie, you a diva. diva. Pretty face, caramel skin like Aaliyah. Saw that fatty poking from the back like Serena. So let me see some.
Hop in my bag and I stay in it. Hit from the back and I stay in it. He's not them, don't play with him. She's not them, don't play with her. I got a R-O-D, she got a P-N-C.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear somebody. Happy birthday to you.
I'm size 9. Alright, size 9. What's T92?
You got robots.
Robot. Can you not tell me what T92 See, I told you if you were training size 9. I got it! I told you.
See, you've been crying for steering wheel.
Try.